Alright, what is up, everybody? Man, I hope everybody's staying safe. I know it's been a while. Man, I've been crazy busy developing and testing a lot of these systems that you see here on this channel. But the latest one now, I'm getting ready to upload the video, is finally for this Pilot View helmet that I'm actually recording this on right now. This was actually supposed to be released last year. We ran into a little bit of red tape, so we had to hold off on it, but that was actually a good thing. Because I got to do some more testing on it, and we've added a few more features, and I mean, it is absolutely epic. So you're definitely going to dig that. That video should be probably the next upload. And also the mirror kits here. I just uploaded a video a few months ago of some upgrades on it that if you haven't seen it, the link will be in the description. Oh damn, check this out. Damn, this stuff's good, but a police escort? Damn. So you definitely want to check that video out. The link will be in the description. And also, I'm getting ready to start reviewing motorcycle DVR systems. A company had just reached out to me a couple of months ago, sent me one, and then now I've just got 2 or 3 other ones that all sent me. So I'm going to start doing reviews on different types of camera systems. Oh damn, he's looking back. We're going to be reviewing motorcycle electronics. I got a few more other video segments that I'm going to have, and then probably a lot more just silly fun ride stuff like this right here, as a matter of fact. So yeah, keep your eye out for that. If you're not subscribed, you definitely want to subscribe, because we got some cool stuff coming. Excuse me. Thank you, officer. Alright, fun time is over. So yeah, like I said, this is just a quick heads up that I'm going to actually start reviewing electronics. We got some cool riding videos and some tips and trip videos coming. So keep your eyes out, and we will see you soon. Everybody stay safe. GoPro, stop recording.